Hello everyone, welcome to Mystic Core Studio. Today I'll be crafting stunning jewelry inspired by one of my all-time favorite Disney movies, Frozen. So let's begin. After thoroughly mixing the resin and hardener for 5 minutes, I'm dividing the mixture into separate containers so I can add different materials which will create a variety of styles and colors for the jewelry. In the small containers, I am adding white and blue glitter powders, blue and silver holographic sparkle, and pearl white mica powder. I am starting with my snowflake mold for the pendants. I have various pendant molds that I am using. I am also incorporating some Frozen themed foam stickers into the pendants. I am randomly adding the resin into the different jewelry molds I have. You can mix and match however you like, using as many colors as you want to make the jewelry fun and unique. It's time to demold. I used the leftover resin to fill a few more molds which I am going to demold now as well. The results are absolutely stunning. Each piece of jewelry turned out beautifully with its unique blend of colors and sparkles. The snowflake pendants in particular have the magical frozen touch we were aiming for. I hope you enjoyed watching the process as much as I enjoyed creating these pieces. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.